Hi guys, happy Saturday morning. Look at that clear sky. Listen to our wildlife. Very clear sky, thank goodness. It was overcast, so it made it very muggy. And I've just been able to turn the air conditioners off in the house. It's finally comfortable, but not a cloud in the sky. But we can still hear those beautiful birds. Queensland's morning birds. It is a jungle out there. Always fresh air in the morning with the trees expelling the oxygen. The birds actually help the trees do that. That's another story. It's a scientific story, but it's true. Had the weeds killed off, but we still have grass. I hope you're enjoying the morning bird sounds. It's sort of kind of very different from the afternoon bird sounds when the birds are coming in to rest for the night, or if the lorikeets are over yonder, they're playing and eating in those trees there. These are our morning birds. They're quite funny. There's some kookaburras going, there's all sorts. I don't know all the names of the birds, so I'm not going to try to impress anyone. I just wanted to share what they sound like. Hope you enjoy it. That bird sounds close. They camouflage themselves, so sometimes I'll catch a flock going by. That's coming from behind me. But I don't want to swing the phone around, make you all dizzy. You might be lucky to catch one, I don't know. Oh look, I didn't even notice. There's the moon above us. Wow, there you go. There's a bonus. Let's try and zoom in properly. Oh, it zoomed in better before. Okay. I suppose it's sort of hard with this phone to zoom in. But there's the moon. It's kind of a half moon. I don't know what sign it is, what zodiac sign it's in at all. I haven't looked it up. I didn't even figure. So I'll make it at 3 times zoom. And we'll just have another look out here. Listen to the birds. Not listen to my voice. very peaceful. Sending a lot of love and healing to a lot of people out there, family, friends. And take care. Please have a wonderful, safe weekend. Saturday morning right now. Oh, okay. Oh, look, I caught that one. The noisy one. I've got my glasses on. Oh, it's a bit hard to do both. So I'm looking through the phone. Oh, I hope you liked this little moment. It's gone for 6 minutes, but in between my voice, I hope you've enjoyed the birds and the happy Saturday morning and happy weekend, guys. There's a big palm tree there. Cut it back, but I think she liked being cut back, and we've got new growth. We've got babies. Look, we got little babies, so that's nice. Yeah. And over here too. See, little baby ones. So they can cut you back, but you're still gonna reproduce. It is Queensland. By next year they'll be big. Anyway, that's our palm trees. It's another nice palm tree. Where is it? It's there. You know. Yeah, they're very beautiful. And the fruit bats love to eat the seeds. Okay, well, there's nothing to see up the sky other than the moon above me. There it is. Half moon. And the birds. And it's a long video, but maybe you can listen to this while you're going to sleep. Maybe it might help. Yeah, I might write that in the hashtags. Maybe ASMR or whatever it is. It's calming. Go to sleep, talk and birdie sounds, nature sounds. So if you're drifting off to sleep, sleep well, have beautiful dreams. If you're just listening and relaxing, please enjoy. And I'll catch you all later. Alright. I wasn't going to swing around, but I saw a couple little birds go past. You probably heard them. I'm sorry it's a bit shaky. I am trying to be steady. It's a different kind. Plovers are a really weird bird. I can't wait to show you a plover. They're the most craziest bird in the world. Honest to goodness. Look up Queensland plovers and what they do and what rights they think they have. They'll stop a whole highway in an intersection if they feel like it. Because they don't really fly much. They like to walk around and take charge. It's really, really funny. I've seen, and I've said this before, I've seen you know, protective orange tape that you might have around road works or whatever, where the councillors put that around in quite a, you know, in a big area, so no one would go near a plover's nest, because the plover would chase your car down. It'll chase you as well. Run along the road. It's not the kangaroos that are running around the road, it's the plovers. It's really funny. I have to get some video. Oh, that was a funny bird. Huh, that went really quick too. I didn't know where it went to. Maybe it landed somewhere. Anyway, oh, Still making a noise. I wish I knew more about birds. I can look into it, I suppose. I'm missing those ones because I'm not zoomed out. They just disappeared on me. Anyway, it's nearly 11 minutes, and why not? If I get anyone listening to the end, well, that's good for them. Not for me, but good for them because, you know, I'm hoping just to put out a relaxing video. This is the first time in ages it hasn't been stinking hot. Actually, there's a butterfly over there. I hope I can catch it. Oh, I did. Oh, now I can't see if I look around. Oh, yeah. I'm missing it on here. I can see it in real life. Oh, it's gone away. Oh, I know it went past me. Oh, I bet I missed it. Here's me chasing butterflies. Why not? Never too old. Okay, I hope you've had fun listening to that. I'm sorry about my voice. I wish there was less me, more nature. But I'm kind of whispering because I don't want to wake the neighbours. I don't want to wake that dog up too. Yeah. If anyone recognises the sounds of any birds, maybe you can put it in the comments because I'm not really that good. I know what our kookaburras sound like, and magpies and parrots. But yeah, I might have to look into that. I'm still looking through my library books, guys. So, oh my goodness, that wouldn't be that butterfly coming back. No, that's a bird. I was going to say that'd be weird. I've seen weird things if you look through my videos where we had some birds and a feather fell out of the air and spun down to the ground over there, straight in, straight down, straight in, spin. Oh look, we have a helicopter. Oh cool, what's the activity? Let's see if I can find him. Oh yeah, I'm zoomed all the way in. Oh, that's a bit of excitement for a Saturday morning. Don't know what sort of helicopter it is. Can't just disappear on me. Oh no, there it is. I can't. Oh, you can hear it. If you're into helicopters, you probably know what it is. I don't know what it is. It's just big and black. See if I walk over here, if I can check it out. No, I can see a bird. The helicopter's gone pretty quick. So down to the basics, guys. This is Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. It's a very hot, humid, tropical place in summer. Winter's not too bad. We never get ice, or we might get a bit of hail, maybe in summer. As far as winter goes, no. Maybe down south in New South Wales you might get a bit of snow, but not in Queensland. Never. Oh wow, look at that plane up there next to the moon. Oh, hold on, have I got that? That's really trippy. Oh, my glasses fell because I'm looking up and I'm trying to catch it. I'm not catching it. Oh, that's a bummer. It looks so white. Oh, wow, it's sort of flying into the clouds. I totally missed it. That was a trip. After seeing a black helicopter and a white plane, and I dropped my glasses. Oh. Anyway, a morning with Susan outside. Saturday morning with Susan. That's what we'll call this one. It's better than doing a live because I'm not up to a live right now. I have been a little unwell, not physically, more so emotionally, but I'm on the mend, chin up as they say, and I'm all good. I'm getting better. We all have our moments. It's a tough life. So anyway, everything looks better the next day, and after a nice cold shower or cool shower. So there's our moon. Happy Saturday. I'll go now. This was a long one, so I don't expect everyone to watch to the end, but if you did, that's really cool, and I thank you. And yeah, subscribe, that would be nice. Like, I look at my analytics and a lot of people watch, but they don't actually subscribe, and I don't know who subscribes. And if there is a notification, I wouldn't even read it, so I wouldn't know. Well, maybe sometimes I do, but I'm not trying to sound slack, but yeah, just subscribe and, thumbs up, enjoy. It's not a money thing, it's a sharing thing. Then I get to subscribe back to you, and I get to learn other stuff. So it's sort of simple, really. Sharing. I got lots of. Oops, there's our sun. Is it our sun? It's yet to be answered. There's our morning sun coming in the front. So I'm in the backyard, so there's our sun that wants to frickin' toast us today. So soon, give it another couple of hours, because they took my trees down, I will have to lock up the front and put the aircon, mobile aircon on. It doesn't work that well, but it works enough for us to be comfortable. Just dreading the electricity bill, but I won't complain. So there she comes over the top there of the house. I don't know if you could see it. Maybe I might make it smaller so you can see. Oh, so-called sun there. So I don't know what's what anymore. Coming through the beams of the back here. So that's our early morning. And there is our trees. Alright guys, I'll go now because, long goodbyes and all that. And have the bloody best weekend, hey? Yep, why not? Even if it's cold, snuggle up with a book or a movie or a beer or whatever the fuck you want. Hey, just have fun, enjoy. Okay guys, love to all, and take care. Bye for now.